Ha?
Ang gagaling nga nung ano no?
Oh. Isang song daw muna, first song. First song bago ang kanilang introduction.
Oh, sige. Ano ba yung mga unang song nila?
Sa mga nagtataka kung nasaan po kami ngayon, live kami sa Shiven Seafront Resort dito po sa Baloy Long Beach Road, Barrio Barreto.
Alright. And the sun is shining, I think, pare.
Oh,
Ayan,
the sun is definitely shining.
Nakiayon sa Soundridge.
Nakiayon sa Soundridge.
Yung panahon, biglang umaraw.
Ang saya-saya. And then 7 o'clock mamaya, party music naman tayo. Punta lang po kayo here sa Shivens. Dito tayo mag-party. Free ang entrance, free ang event.
Libre. Libreng party. Pumunta lang po kayo.
Pumunta lang po kayo. Yay.
Bring your butts over here.
Yeah, that's right. Then again, if you wanna, have some drinks, andito po, may available naman. May buffet tayo, 299 pesos only. So mga gustong dito na kumain ng hapunan.
Tapos kung medyo naiinitan kayo, maganda yung offer nila sa swimming pool, pare.
100 pesos, may kasama ng
may kasama
free
ng drink.
Drink, Shivens.
Special cocktail.
Special cocktail. That's right.
Tapos yung beer, 4 for 100.
That's right.
Ayan, for only 260 pesos.
Yeah, baby.
Yun, mga pare ko. Apat, buy 4, get 1.
Yeah!
Buy 1, buy 1, buy 1, buy 1, free 1!
Free one!
Okay.
Ano kayong first
lang.
song natin?
Anong first song nga pala?
Request ko na ba to? Hindi pa? Under the same sun.
Yes, by
Yes, we
Scorpions.
we under the same sun.
The Simpson?
Oh. Tin. Record natin para proper introduction.
Ano ka mo? The Simpson.
Sige, alright. This is gonna be their first song here at Shiven Seafront Resort and Hotel. Ulitin natin, hindi na record.
Ay, naka-record na.
eh.
Naka-record na.
Ulat ako sa inyo. Okay, take 2. Okay, welcome Shiven Seafront Resort and Hotel in celebration of Vibe Sessions and Tunog Lokal 4th anniversary. Alright, it is now the turn of this band called Sound Rage. And to give us their first song, here's Sound Rage Band.
I saw the morning, it was shattered by a gun. Heard a scream, saw him fall, no one cried. I saw a mother, she was praying for her son. Bring him back, let him live, don't let him die. Do you ever ask yourself, is this heaven in the sky? Why can't we get it right? 'Cause we all live under the same sun. We all walk under the same moon, yeah. Then why can't we live as one? I saw the evening fading shadows one by one. We watched the lamb lay down to the sacrifice. I saw the children of the sun, how they wept, how they bled, how they died. Do you ever ask yourself, is this heaven in the sky? Why can't we stop the fight? 'Cause we all live under the same sun. We all walk under the same moon, yeah. Then why can't we live as one? Sometimes I think I'm going mad. no one seems to care. But in my heart it doesn't change. We've got to rearrange and bring our words of love. Yeah. Does it really matter if there's heaven up above? We should could use some love. 'Cause we all live under the same sun. We all walk under the same moon, yeah. Then why can't you leave us? Why? 'Cause we all live under the same sky. We all look up for the same sun. We all live under the same sun. We all walk under the same moon, yeah. Then why? Tell me why can't you leave this world?
Yun oh! Yun! Yun oh!
Yeah!
Yun oh! Yun oh!
Galing, galing,
Ganda ng
galing,
dagat oh! Yun oh! Dagat oh! Ganda! Dagat ano!
Lang niya ka. Akala ko nagalingan ka. Dagat
Dagat!
pala.
Dagat eh oh! Dagat na dagat yung dagat!
Nagbibiro lang yan. Nagalingan yan.
Oo
Nagalingan.
naman. Alam mo naman pag sound rage at bumanat ang mga ganyan talaga. Oh.
Yung pa yung napiling song, ano?
Oo.
Under the Same Sun. Team song ng mga labada.
Oo. Oo.
Ng,
Oo.
ng mga
Exactly.
ng mga sinampay pala, sorry.
Kala ko nung unang sinasabi niya, Under the Sea.
Ah,
Di ba yung kanta ng Under the Sea? Under the Sea.
Under the Same Sun, pare.
Under the Same Sun. Sound Rage Band. So,
Originally by the Centipedes.
What?
Ah, Scorpion, sorry. Wrong animal.
Wrong